Good morning, students. Welcome back again with the subject of quantity surveying and estimation and costing QSC. So today we will discuss about rate analysis, and today we are going to solve a numerical of rate analysis in which the question is find out dry materials required for 1 cubic meter cement concrete of 1 is to 4 is to 8 ratio in foundation. So let's start. Now, in rate analysis, basically rate analysis is done for analyzing the rates of different types of items of work in QSC. So if you want to do a 1 cubic meter of cement concrete of ratio 1 is to 4 is to 8 in foundation, then what will be the cost of that that part of work will be analyzed here. So firstly, we need to the required materials, which at last we get a summary of materials, and that quantity of material is then multiplied by the rate, so that we can ultimately get a rate of that particular work. So for the solution, the first thing we have to do is we have to get the ratios. So we have ratios, you can see here is 1 is to 4 is to 8, in which the ratio of cement is 1, sand is 4, and uh, aggregate is 8. If you want to know the quantities, then we have to sum these ratios. So after summation of the ratio, we will get 1 plus 4 plus 8, that is 30. So since here you can see the total dry mortar or cement or dry material required for 1 cubic meter of cement concrete is 1.54 cubic meter. So uh, that so if you want to know the quantity of cement, then cement will be equal to 1.54, that is the dry mortar weight or dry mortar required for 1 cubic meter, will be multiplied will be divided by the total summation of you can see the ratios. So 1.54 will be divided by 13, and then it is multiplied by the ratio of that material. So the ratio of cement is 1, as we have discussed earlier. So here 1 is multiplied, which is equal to 0.118 cubic meter. And now as we know, the cement is always purchased uh, in the numbers of bags, then we have to convert this value 0.18118 into bag. So if 1 cubic you can see 1 cubic meter is equal to 228.8 bags, then 0.118 cubic meter will be how much bags? So we will directly multiply it by 28.8, and then we can get 3.14. So this is the total quantity of bag required of cement for 1 cubic meter of cement concrete of ratio 1 is to 4 is to 8. Now, second thing which we have to calculate is sand. So as we have calculated the quantities of cement, similarly sand is also calculated here. So you can see 1.54 is the dry weight, and 13 is the total ratio of sum, and then it is multiplied by the ratio of that material. So 4 is the ratio of the sand, then the quantity we will get is 0.48. Similarly, we will calculate the values or materials of aggregate also, in which 1.54 is the dry volume, 13 is the total ratio of that material, and 8 is the ratio of that material, that is aggregate. So we will get the value 0.94 cubic meter. So if we want to make a summary, then the material required for 1 cubic meter of cement concrete of ratio 1 is to 4 is to 8 will be cement is equal to cement will be 3.1441 bags, sand will be required is 0.47 cubic meter, and aggregate will be required is 0.94 cubic meters. Now these are the quantity of materials which will be required for 1 cubic meter of cement concrete of ratio 1 is to 4 is to 8 in that foundation. So if you want to know the cost of that whole work, then we will just multiply these material quantities with their rates and also add their labor in that, and we will get the overall cost of the cement concrete of 1 is to 4 is to 8. So this is the first exercise of calculating the quantities of cement concrete. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lecture, and if you have any doubts you can ask me in our comment section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.